Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of a bustling high season here in Thailand. The reason I got to thinking of making this video, I was reading a recent article from ASEAN Now, ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, Thailand Heading for a Bustling High Season. Quoting directly, the Tourism Authority of Thailand, TAT, expects a busy high season this year with both Thais and foreigners traveling extensively after COVID control measures were relaxed from April onwards, with the country fully open to tourism in July, INN News said Saturday evening, September 3rd. Quoting further, Mr. Yutasak Supasorn, TAT's governor, said a large number of foreign tourists had started coming to Thailand with a weaker baht to US dollar exchange rate spurring tourism. The Bank of Thailand set this rate at 36.804 baht to the dollar yesterday. So yeah, two things driving it. Obviously, reopening. There was nowhere to go but up when you consider that no one could basically get in if you go back a certain period of time. And, you know, they relaxed that over time to the point where now, yeah, you can just pretty well come in as you please. Meanwhile, the relative strength of the dollar to the baht obviously is causing some substantial interest in Thailand because it makes things more affordable here, quite frankly. So that also is going to, obviously, it's going to operate as a benefit, I would say. Now, the interesting thing from my perspective is, you know, define bustling. You know, obviously, anything is going to be more bustling than high season 2021. You know, high season 2020 going into 2021, or high season going from 2021 into 2022. I mean, anything's probably going to beat that. You know, nowhere to go but up. So define bustling. Is it going to be at the numbers that we were used to back 2019, 2018, 17? Hard to say. I would say probably it's going to be substantially lower, but it's still going to be on its way to back to what we're used to. And hopefully, look, I would love it if we could get back to exactly the kind of high season we had going back in 2018, for example. I think the last major banner year, to my mind, 2019 was all right, but it seemed a little flat. 2018 was a really solid year in the high season that year in terms of arrivals and just overall tourism revenue. So something to think about, something to keep in mind. But yeah, I would definitely say there's nowhere to go but up with respect to the high season, but we're going to have to figure out the nuance behind the term bustling.